Environmental science is about understanding the natural world around us. One of the most important ways we do this is by collecting environmental field data. Environmental field data is the information we gather directly from nature. Whether it's a forest, a river, or even the air we breathe, scientists go into these environments to observe, measure, and collect data that tells us what's happening in the natural world. So why is this data so crucial? First, it allows us to monitor changes in the environment over time. Think about climate change. Without field data, we wouldn't know how temperatures are rising or how sea levels are changing. Secondly, it helps us assess the health of ecosystems. For example, by studying water quality or species diversity in a forest, we can determine whether that ecosystem is thriving or under threat. Finally, this data is essential for making informed decisions in environmental policy and management. Governments and organizations rely on accurate field data to create regulations that protect our planet. Now, let's break down the types of field data scientists collect. First, there's physical data: temperature, humidity, and wind speed. These measurements help us understand an environment's abiotic or non-living factors. Next is chemical data. This includes things like pH levels in the water, the concentration of nutrients in the soil, and the presence of pollutants. Chemical data is key to assessing the quality of the environment, and especially regarding things like water and air pollution. Then we have biological data, which involves studying the living organisms in an environment. This could mean counting the number of species in a particular area, tracking animal populations, or learning the health of plants. Finally, there's geospatial data. This type of data involves mapping the locations and distributions of various environmental features, using tools like GPS and geographic information systems. Scientists can create detailed maps showing how different environmental aspects are spread across a landscape. To collect all this data, scientists use various tools and techniques. For physical samples, they might use equipment like soil augers, water samplers, and nets to collect soil, water, and biological specimens. Sensors and instruments such as thermometers, pH meters, and air quality monitors measure environmental variables on site. Geospatial data collection often involves GPS devices and drones, which help scientists map and analyze large areas from above. Of course, fieldwork is only complete with detailed field notes and observations, which help scientists document the conditions they encounter and any unusual events that might affect their data. However, collecting field data can be complicated. Fieldwork often takes scientists to remote locations where they might have to deal with extreme weather, difficult terrain, and even wildlife. Ensuring that data is accurate and reliable can be challenging in these conditions. Moreover, environmental conditions can change rapidly, meaning that data collected one day might differ greatly from data collected the next. Scientists have to account for this variability when analyzing and interpreting their findings. Despite these challenges, field data is invaluable because it provides a real-world snapshot of what's happening in our environment. Technology has revolutionized how we collect and analyze environmental field data. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can cover large areas quickly, capturing high-resolution images and data that would take days to collect on foot. Satellite imagery provides a broader view, allowing scientists to monitor ecosystem changes. Automated sensors can be left in the field to collect data, continuously sending information back in real time. Environmental data management software is used for managing all stages of large or recurring field programs. The software has robust management and approval tools built in, allowing users to efficiently plan, execute, and report entire field programs electronically. This technology makes data collection more efficient and allows scientists to gather more detailed and comprehensive data sets. Environmental field data is the backbone of environmental science. It's the evidence we need to understand how natural systems work, how they're changing, and what we can do to protect them. It's your gateway to making a real difference in understanding and managing the world's environments. So, as you head out into the field, remember that every piece of data you collect contributes to a larger picture, a picture that helps us protect the planet for future generations.